And there's Dave finishing putting up his second trellis. And today I planted all kinds of new flower seeds in here. So this is the entry to the new bird, butterfly, and hummingbird garden. And it is so beautiful. It looks so tranquil. How lovely. And I'm excited to see it bursting with flowers along the walkway. I'm so excited. Yay. Oh, it looks so nice. And the Japanese maple's coming to life. Look at that. It's amazing. And all the wild violets are blooming everywhere. They're just so tiny, so amazing. Things are coming alive. Nileana asotoko she mi safale. Naimina konono ashalisa. Just breath-giving. Absolutely true that. The trees are breath-giving. And soon it'll be filled with leaves and buzzing with bee activity. Boy, it's been a good, hard day's work. Let's take a walk. I'm going to plant something climbing, something fragrant and climbing. And all new flowers and last year's perennials. I'm so excited to see everything coming up. It's actually at the end of the day. The sun's getting ready to set. Oh, what a wonderful feeling. Once again, to start something new, even if it's just this little flower bed. I feel peace and tranquility here already. Thanks, Dave.
Oh, you're walking through. Let's go through together.
Yes, let's go through together. Okay. Okay, you guys, we're going to walk through together now. And you get to walk with us. Aww.
Oh, we're kissing in the portal.
Mwah. Aww.
A new dimension.
It is. It does. It feels like when you're standing back, it looks like we're walking through a new portal, a new dimension. I love that. Mm-hmm. It's beautiful. Thank you, my love.